Maybe he's white. Maybe there is something the matter with me. I don't see how a world that makes such wonderful things could be bad. Look at this stuff. Isn't it neat? Why did you say my collection's complete? Why did you say I'm the girl who has everything? Look at this trove, treasures untold. How many wonders can one unfold? Look around, you see. Sure, she got everything. I got Catmos and Gizmos of plenty. I got Guzmas and Skazets galore. You want a thingamabob? Oh, I got 20. But who cares? No big deal. I want more. I wanna be where the people are. I wanna see them dancing, walking around in those, what do you call them? Feet. Flipping your fins, you won't get too far. Legs required for jumping, dancing, strolling along or down. What is that word again? Street. Walking up while they walk, up while they run, up while they stay all day in the sun, wondering if we wish I could be part of the world. What if I could live on top of these waters? What would I spend for a day born on the sand? But your man, they understand, but they don't read Pramadel daughters. Bright young women, sick of screaming, ready to stand, ready to know what the people know. Ask them my question, get some answers. The fire, what is that word? What's that word? Burn. What is it my turn? When am I in love? The love to explore the joy above. Out of the sea, wish I could be. Part of this world. Oof. I hope you guys enjoyed my singing. I'm sick, so I messed up a few times, and every time I paused meant I was drinking juice because my throat hurts. And also, don't ask why there's carvings in the ground. Don't ask who that is. Oh yeah, and we keep this heel because sometimes I like singing. I'm part of that loud. Don't ask why I have so much stuff in my inventory too. But I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys did, please leave a big fat like. So goodbye, my beautiful llama children. Good looping. Bye.